Details about the Super Image Network that is working on artificial intelligence. I am very excited about it because this is called as the first decentralized AI image platform, pioneering new way. Yes, we will also show you a complete pattern, how it works actually. Here, once, if I told you that, what if a mid-journey was not controlled by a company by it, but owned and maintained by its global user? Yes, I am here with the Super Image Network. That is the decentralized image. This is the world first AI image generator platform that is revolutionizing how we create, share, and exact value for AI generating visuals. You can even check how a super image is going to work. This video. So next, you can also check about that super image has multiple latent text to image. This is also about where you can put your thoughts. It will be converted into the next creativity. Yes, all users who complete KYC are eligible to receive their official SIC token too. Like there is SIC to reward. That is also about the super image coin. And there you can also check total of 7 billion token are awarded to the user as new user reward, as task reward, DBC token holder airdrop reward. There is collaboration reward and much more options are available. If you want to get their SIC token, that is also available on the Uniswap too. So next, you can also check about anyone cheer with their GPU machines to super image AI. Yes, by joining the network, machine can earn SIC tokens early. Yes, there. Together, you can work with their team. And here, high quality images you can create just given the prompt to this AI. This GPU enable fast generation with up to 11 generation model. So here you can also join them with the back partners as Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, and much more. They are also going to supporting this ecosystem. If you want to come to next, there is the token that has the price near to 10.77x AA, and there is also super image where you can easily get IAO completed data, amount of data, total number of SIC token, what is the price, number of holders with 1000 billion as total token supply. Here is a complete details about their SIC token. You can also be one of the member. And not only this, you want to join, input your word as for the creation like your prompt here. Then you will also click on the next option like there is our sending message. We can also connect our wallet here. Upgrade the plans are also here. Create the wallet first of all. If we want to create, please credentials we have to create on it. SIC wallet we are going to creating. Guys, you can also check here like different models like there is high dream power text to image generation. There is a realistic detail with fast flexible. There is Sana fast generation stable. We are going to check out that there are also pricing plans as standard for $1. There you can even upgrade. There is also $0 too. You can also create your one. There is the result. You can even check out. Here was the prompt. We have given QBC, insect, flower, a free hand. There is also now. Yes, there you can even get how it is actually working. You can click on it and then you will also get the result where we can connect to wallet. There is Telegram group. We can join it. And here we will also given that different images. If we want to upgrade the plan, as I told you, 100 their generation. There is 10 if you are going to using free, then 10 times per day. But if you will also connect wallet hold 10,000 SIC, you will also then 10 daily free generation. But if you will activate the standard plan, 100 daily generation will be given. So here you can also get further information about their community as there is also official Twitter and Telegram where you can create your images by the prompt and your new style. Your creativity as you think will be shown here. Like you need to put that and here you can also like we are going to need majestic crystal plate. There is different models. Select the model and then we can click on the send message. There will be created. Yes, in this way you can also create your best result that you need actually. So here you can also imagine what you want to create, your art, your picture. You can even convert it. You can also follow them with different lingual. There are different languages spotted, Telegram, Twitter, spotted, and you can also be one of the member who will hold their token. So I hope you have understand. If you have any question or curiosity now, you can ask in our combo. See you next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.